I am thrilled and excited to announce the launch of my Superwoman Circle. I have dreamed about this, planned this, envisioned this for I don't know how many years, and always had like a roadblock where I couldn't make it happen. But the time is now, and here's what I'm thinking. This is an opportunity for all of us to come together, connect and talk, and maybe even share how it can be personalized to you or what may be going on in your life that could educate and inspire others. Or maybe you just need a little support. I know as a busy working mom, as somebody running businesses and trying to do a lot of things and still trying really hard to be a good wife and mother and all the other nurturing roles that we're called to do, a lot of times community for me is left behind. I forget sometimes to call my girlfriends, or when I have an issue, I'm not really sure who to call or where to go. Well, I want the circle to help solve that. We're all busy. We're all running around, but we need each other. We need each other to connect, to motivate, to inspire, to educate, to laugh, to just have a good time. And so my Superwoman Circle has launched this month, and I am thrilled. I'm going to give you guys the link, but it's also on my Instagram page. It's drtaz.com/superwoman-circle. If you go on there, just go straight to the website and you'll see it there. You can sign up. And I have so many fun, free goodies for you guys. First of all, we'll be doing monthly webinars on pertinent topics, usually female related, hormone related, women's health related, or simply just life related, right? Like how to deal with your 14-year-old who sometimes might be driving you up the wall. But anyhow, we'll have timely topics that you guys want to hear about and want to hear from you. Like what are the most important things for you to hear? And I'm going to approach those in a webinar format in a very scientific, but practical and clinical way, merging medicine, really helping us kind of navigate what the options and choices are. For example, in April, we're going to be dealing with PCOS and talking about polycystic ovarian syndrome and how that is so often missed as a diagnosis, one of the biggest gaslit, sort of diagnoses that are out there today. So we'll be talking about it, but talking about it from an East-West perspective, a more holistic perspective, rather than sort of the conventional textbook version of PCOS that many of us hear in the exam room. But in addition to those monthly webinars, we are also going to do a monthly group coaching call where we all will come together, if you want to, share your stories, maybe answer a few questions, maybe talk about what's going on in your life and how maybe we've had a similar experience and might shed some insight or light into that. And on top of that, not only are we going to create community, which is essential for healing, right? It's one thing to get information, but if you're not feeling good and having an opportunity to heal, then we know that that in turn can really compromise how you're doing. The Superwoman Circle is going to be amazing. I hope you join. I hope you take advantage of time, not just with me, but with other amazing women just like you, where we're just trying to figure it all out, stay ahead of our health, take care of our families, lead our communities, and do the work that we were meant to do. So I look forward to seeing you in the Superwoman Circle. And if you're listening to this episode and you decide to join, you get to use a very special promo code. That's right. Use my code SuperwomanRX10 to get 10% off any East West Way products. Those are my products that, again, are targeted to many different women's health issues. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this happen. I will see you in the circle. Join that link and we will break stuff down and create community so we can go out there and be who we need to be. Thanks, guys.